service resetting light for the Mercedes CLK. Turn the ignition on, position 2. Press this button until it shows you the remaining mileage of the service interval. Then press this reset button, press and hold. Release the button and press and hold again. Press and hold until you hear the beep noise. And now this service is resetted. It's showing 10,000 miles remaining service interval. Turn the ignition off. Turning ignition back on to check it's all done. Arrow button up and down to check how many miles are left. All done. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel.